Good morning, everybody. Special visitor, Baby Echo. Today, Baby Echo is going to be here to help us do our Fundations lesson. So today we have our drill sounds warm-up, wordplay. We have something new to teach you and introduce new concepts, and Echo find letters and words. So let's get started with our drill sounds. A, apple, A. B, bat, B. C, cat, K. D, dog, D. E, ed, E. F, fun, F. G, game, G. H, hat, H. I, itch, I. J, jug, J. K, kite, K. L, lamp, ooh. M, man, N, nut, N. O, octopus, aw. P, pan, P. Q, U, queen, qu. R, rat, r. S, snake, s. T, top, t. U, up, V, van, v. W, win, w. X, fox, x. Y, yellow, y. Z, zebra, z. Now we'll do our digraph review. S, H, ship, sh. C, H, chin, ch. T, H, thumb, f. W, H, whistle, good job. Next up is wordplay. So this might be a little tricky for me because I have all different things and I have to move the computer a little bit until we can see this. Okay, here's Mama Echo and here's my coffee. Like always, I'm going to put up a word and then we're going to tap it and blend it to sound it out. Get your tapping fingers ready. K, aw, p, k, op, cop. I'm going to change the middle vowel sound from aw to Let's tap it out. K, oh sorry. K, p, k, up, cup. I'm now changing the middle and the ending sound. Back to aw, and now b. K, ob, k, ob, cob. I'm changing the ending sound. K, aw, k, ought, caught. I'm going to change the middle sound and the ending sound now. Now I have to change the first letter, but still the same sound. K, id, k, id, kid. And last one, change the ending sound. K, it, k, it, kit. Now you might have noticed today that I said that we were changing the beginning letter, but not the sound. And we all know that that's because C says k, like in cat, and K says k, like in key. They're the same sound, made by two different letters. Today, in our Introduce New Concepts portion of our lesson, we're going to learn the rule for when we use a C and when we use a K. So I'm going to take these down for just a minute and get up a new poster I just made. This is our C or K poster. Now, what I learned is that sometimes you use C and sometimes you use K. Now that you boys and girls are starting to really remember your letters and words and your letters roles, you can use stuff like this at home when you're writing to figure out if you're going to use C or K when you're writing your words. Now, whenever you have a sound like K or K, there's one rule that helps you figure out which one you're going to use. When you're tapping out your word, the letter sound that follows the K is the one that changes whether you're going to use C or K. Sounds tricky until we start to practice, and then it's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. So C always comes before the ah, or sounds. K will always come before or sounds. So if you have a word, and it has a K sound, listen for the next sound to figure out if it's going to be a C or a K. If the sound is or you use a C. If the sound is or you use the K sound. I have 5 words here, and we're going to figure out if we use a C or a K to complete them. If the letter we need to write is a C, I'm going to use it in blue because I wrote a C here in blue. If the letter that we need to write is a K, I'm going to use green since I drew K in green. Our first word will be this word, cap. So let's go ahead and tap out cap. K, p, The sound after K is So I go to my chart, and I see apple, means the C word. So cap gets a C. K, the sound that follows the K is an so it's a C word. K, cap. Okay, our next word is cub. Let's go tap that cub out. Ready? K, b. K, I hear the K, and I hear the vowel sound According to my chart, U up means that we're gonna use a C again. So, cub. Because the U comes after the K sound, that means it starts with a C. Our next word is kid. Let's tap out kid. K, d. Do it again. K, d. I heard the after K, A-O-U-E-I, I says and I see that I means it's a K word, so kid starts with a K. Then we have our next one, kit. Let's tap out kit. K, I again. I means it's a K word. So kit begins with a K because the sound after K is an sound. Last one, cop. Everyone say cop. Now let's tap it out. K, p. K, p. The sound after K is Do you think it's going to be a C or a K? We can use the chart to help us. If you said that it was going to be a C, you would be correct because O means that the first letter is a C. So, we will be coming back to practice this more, especially when we come back to school. So I can't wait to help you practice this in our classroom. The last thing for Foundations today is echo find letters and words. Now I know that we probably don't have our Foundations magnetic boards, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to write it. So if you're following along at home and you want to help tap out the words and then you can write them, you can use crayons and pencils, dry erase markers and dry erase boards, shaving cream, and you can write the answers in the shaving cream. However you want to do to participate, that'd be great. So we're going to do echo find letters and words, but we're going to write it since we don't have all our materials. Okay, the first word is nut. I'm going to tap out the word nut. N-U-T. Now I tap and spell. N-U-T. Now I'm going to write it. You practice at home. If your word looked like mine, you did it correctly. Remember, U says you up, so it shouldn't be an ah. It should be U for nut. Go ahead and erase your board. And our next word is cat. And we can use our new C or K roll to help us figure that out. Cat. K-a-t. K-a. The middle sound's an A, and A comes after C, so the first sound should be a C. K, C, A, T, T. K-a-t. Go ahead and write it, and then you can check your answers with me. If your cat looks like mine, you did it right. This C should be a C and not a K. K comes before I and E. C becomes before A, O, and U. And since this is an A, it should be a C letter. Our next word is mix. Let's tap out mix. X. M-I-X. Write mix. Now check your work. If at any time we're going too fast, you can always pause the video. Mix. We'll do two more. Let's do the word chat. It's a tricky one with a digraph. Ch-a-t. Now let's spell it. C-H-A-A-T. Your turn. C-H chin ch at chat. Check your work. Good job. Our last word is kid. K-I-D. K. C or K? Let's find out what the middle sound is and then we'll figure it out. K-I. That's an I. I comes after K. So it's a K, I-I-D. Go ahead and write kid. Kid. Remember, K comes before I and E, and since it was our middle sound, our first sound should be a K instead of a C. K-I-D. K-I-D. Kid. Check your work. And we're all done for today. Thank you, boys and girls, for watching. Moms and dads at home, if you want to extend our lesson, you can find words that begin with K and help them practice our C or K roll. Remember, C goes before A, O, or U, and K goes before E and I. We'll practice this again later, but have a great day, guys. Bye.